hage kana county-inĩ ĩngĩ.
County governments wish to reiterate that any health worker who absconds from duty will be dealt with in accordance with the law. No worker should expect to walk out of their jobs and then walk back when they do so wish. The county governments are not a revolving door. We are monitoring and shall circulate the names of the employees who have been terminated on account of indiscipline in order for the workers not to be considered for subsequent employment by other counties. We further wish to inform you that the resultants from the strike notices that were issued last year, a multi-agency conciliation committee that includes the union and the government was established by the Ministry of Labor on 3rd December 2020 to handle the grievances of the three unions. The committee is expected to give a report which will guide the way forward on these issues. As a question of good faith, the health workers ought to have called off the strike pending the outcome of the conciliation, being spearheaded by the Ministry of Labor. We further note that the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers signed a return to work formula with the Ministry of Health on 1st January 2021. The Council of Governors was not consulted prior to the execution and as such has not signed the same. And in 2017, county government reviewed and revised the same to Job Group M at a gross salary of $234,750 per month. Certificate nurses entry level was enhanced to Job Group G with a monthly gross salary of $71,870, up from $49,370, with uniform allowance